Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Why are people always tired now? Life is easier now. People have phones, fast food, nice homes. But many people still feel stress. Many people still cannot sleep well. Why?
That question is very old. Almost 2,000 years ago, one man asked the same question. His name was Marcus Aurelius. He was a Roman emperor.
An emperor. So he had power and money.
Yes, but he still felt fear. He still felt stress. He still worried about life.
That already feels very modern.
Exactly. And that is why people still read his book today. The book is called Meditations.
Meditations. What does that word mean?
It means quiet thoughts, deep thoughts, one person talking honestly to himself.
That already sounds calm.
Yes, this book feels quiet, slow, honest.
I think many people need that now.
Especially modern people. Modern life is very noisy. Phones ring all day. Social media never stops. People compare themselves all the time.
Yes, many people cannot rest anymore.
Marcus Aurelius understood that feeling.
I think many people imagine emperors living easy lives.
But Marcus Aurelius did not live an easy life. Rome had war, Rome had sickness, Rome had political problems.
So he lived under pressure all the time.
Yes, sometimes he slept in cold military camps. Imagine that scene, a powerful emperor sitting alone at night, cold wind outside, soldiers sleeping nearby, and one small candle.
That feels lonely.
Very lonely. And during those nights, he wrote small notes to himself.
Those notes became this book?
Yes, he never planned to make a famous book. He was trying to calm his own mind.
Wow, that makes the book feel more human.
Yes, this is not a book from a perfect man. This is a book from a tired human being.
I think many people will connect with that feeling.
Especially people over 30. Many adults feel tired inside now. They smile outside, but inside they feel heavy.
That feels very real.
Marcus Aurelius says people suffer because they try to control everything.
That sounds true. People want to control money, relationships, the future, other people's opinions.
Yes, but many things are outside our control. Marcus Aurelius says we must accept that calmly.
I think social media made this problem worse.
Much worse. Imagine a tired person on a train at night. The person opens a phone, then sees rich people, beautiful people, perfect lives. Slowly, the person feels smaller inside.
That happens to many people now.
Yes, but Marcus Aurelius says something important. Watch your own mind first, not other people.
That sounds peaceful.
It does, but it is difficult. Humans want attention. Humans want love. Humans want approval.
Even emperors wanted that?
Yes, Marcus Aurelius was powerful, but he was still human. That is why this book still feels alive.
I like that part very much. Sometimes people think success removes sadness.
But history shows something different. Rich people still feel lonely. Famous people still feel fear. Powerful people still cannot sleep at night.
That is strangely comforting.
Because it reminds us that suffering is part of life.
One thing surprised me about this book. Marcus Aurelius talks about death many times.
Yes, but he does not talk about death in a dark way.
Then why does he talk about it so much?
Because death helps people see life clearly.
What do you mean?
Many people waste energy on small fights, small anger, online arguments, showing off. Marcus Aurelius reminds himself that life is short.
That changes everything.
Yes, one day everybody disappears. Rich people disappear, famous people disappear, beautiful people disappear.
So he asks what really matters.
Exactly. Modern culture tells people to chase more things, more money, more status, more attention. But Marcus Aurelius asks people to slow down.
I think many people need that message now.
Especially tired adults. Many people worked hard for years, then one day they suddenly feel empty.
That feels sad.
Yes, and Marcus Aurelius understood that feeling deeply.
Another part felt very modern, too. He talks about difficult people.
Yes, he says every morning you will meet rude people, angry people, selfish people.
That sounds like the internet.
Honestly, yes. But Marcus Aurelius says something important again. Do not expect perfect people.
I think modern people expect too much sometimes.
Very true. People want perfect friends, perfect partners, perfect jobs, perfect lives. But humans are imperfect.
Social media hides that truth.
Yes, people show only good moments online, but real life is messy. Sometimes real life hurts.
That feels very real.
Marcus Aurelius wanted people to accept human weakness, including their own weakness.
That part feels important.
Very important. Many people secretly hate themselves now. They think they are not good enough, not rich enough, not smart enough, not successful enough.
Modern people compare themselves every day.
Yes, and slowly their mind never becomes quiet.
That sentence feels very powerful.
Marcus Aurelius believed the mind creates extra pain. Sometimes life is painful, but the mind makes the pain bigger. People imagine terrible futures. People repeat painful memories again and again. People create fear inside their own mind.
Even when nothing bad is happening.
Exactly. The body is resting, but the mind keeps fighting.
That sounds exactly like anxiety.
Yes. Marcus Aurelius says we must train the mind calmly.
Not with anger.
Right. Not with panic. Not with hate. Calmly.
I think that is why this book still feels powerful today.
Yes. Marcus Aurelius does not scream at people. He does not promise fast success. He speaks quietly, like an older friend.
Or maybe like a tired father.
Yes, a tired but wise father.
That image feels warm.
Maybe people miss that feeling now. Modern life gives information, but not much wisdom.
That is a very important difference.
Yes, human life changes slowly. Human feelings also change slowly. That is why this old book still feels alive today.
I think many people will finish this book and feel calmer.
Maybe not happier immediately, but calmer, more honest with themselves.
And maybe less afraid.
Yes, maybe less afraid of life.
And the good news is this. This book is not difficult to start. You can read one page slowly, one small thought at a time. That is enough.
Sometimes one honest sentence can stay in the heart for years.
Today's book was Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. If this conversation helped you today, please like and subscribe. Our membership also gives you a simple PDF summary for each video. Many viewers use it to review the ideas slowly and practice English again. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.